Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Bitcoin for daily payments in Green Bitcoin Wallet. Using Bitcoin for daily payments with Green Bitcoin Wallet is easy and secure way to make purchase, pay bills, or send money to others. Whether you are using Bitcoin to pay at a local store, send payment online, or transfer funds to friend, the Green app makes the process smooth and efficient. First, open the Green application and unlock the application using PIN or biometric. After that, before making payment, ensure that you have Bitcoin available in your Green wallet. You can do this by receiving button. Tap on Receive from main dashboard and share your wallet address or QR code with the sender. Once the sender transfers Bitcoin to you, it will appear on your wallet after the transaction is confirmed. Use an exchange or third-party service to buy Bitcoin and transfer it to your Green wallet. There are different ways to pay using Bitcoin depending on the situation. You can scan the QR code. At the store, the merchant will display a QR code containing the payment amount and their Bitcoin address. Tap Send to your Green wallet, then scan the merchant QR code using your phone camera. You can verify the amount and Bitcoin address in your Green application. You may need to enter your PIN or confirm using biometric to authorize the transaction. You can also send Bitcoin via wallet address. Tap on Send from the main dashboard and paste or scan the recipient Bitcoin address. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send, and review the transaction detail including amount, recipient address, and fees. Then tap Send and confirm the transaction. From the main dashboard, you can see transaction history to see all your incoming and outgoing payment. You can monitor how many confirmations your payment have. For a smaller payment, one confirmation may be sufficient, but larger payment may require typically 6 confirmations. Using Bitcoin for daily payments with Green Bitcoin Wallet is simple and secure. Whether you are scanning QR code at a store, sending money to friends, or making online payment, Green provides all the necessary tools to make Bitcoin a practical choice for everyday transaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.